All right, the new Apple Pencil Pro, $130, which is definitely very expensive, and I want to know if this is going to be worth it for you guys. Now, it's important to know that this Pencil Pro will be compatible for only the iPad Pro M4 and the iPad Air M2, so it's not going to be compatible for any of the older generation iPads. So, something to consider here. So, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, here is the Apple Pencil. Let's go ahead and wrap this little. Alright, there we have it, guys. We have Pencil Pro right on here. So this is going to let you know that you have the ultra premium pencil out there. Other than that, it looks pretty much the same as any other pencils. Nothing too special about that. So let's go ahead and pair it to our M4 iPad Pro here. So pairing should be easy. On the right side, we have the magnet on the iPad M4 over here. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to magnetically attach it, and let's see if there's any detection. Okay, we have the pencil automatically detected, which is really nice. And we have a pop-up introducing the Apple Pencil Pro. We can see here we can lightly squeeze to access the tools. We can also switch tools with a gesture. We can scribble, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and try the squeeze method here. All right, that definitely felt really good. I felt a nice little haptic feedback. All right, so it looks like I can lightly tap, open up the tools, hit it again to close it out. So that's pretty cool. So then we have scribble here. So use your pencil handwriting in any text area to convert it into type. Okay, so it's not 100% accurate. So let's go ahead and hit continue here. You can also add Find My Apple Pencil. So we're gonna add that on because if we ever misplace this, we wanna make sure we can try to locate it. Now within the settings of the iPad, there is an Apple Pencil section over here, which lets us know the battery indicator over here. So we have 21%. And once we attach that there, you can see that it automatically starts to charge, obviously taking battery from your iPad itself. You have more options and customization on what you can do in the settings. So for example, the squeeze, you can literally have it change to any one of these settings over here. You could also change the double tap feature as well, and different types of effects. So I do like the customization that you get with the Apple Pencil. Now testing out the magnet strength real quick. So I'm just gonna quickly just attach it like this. So it definitely snaps on very easily, and applying very light pressure, it doesn't come out at all. Now I'm no artist, but I could imagine this Apple Pencil Pro being an amazing creative tool. The addition of a barrel roll gesture for more control of your tools should be noteworthy for artists. Using the many different drawing tools that Procreate has to offer was a great experience with this Pencil Pro. I will note that the squeeze feature didn't do anything, so I assume it's not integrated into the Procreate app yet. I don't like the fact that the new pencil only supports the latest M4 iPad Pro or M2, and older Apple Pencils also aren't compatible with the latest iPads, which means you have no choice but to get the Pencil Pro if you decide to upgrade. For $130, this is still one of the best drawing pencils you can get if you have an M4 iPad Pro or Air M2. You get the new barrel gesture, light squeeze, haptic feedback, and Find My Pencil, which makes it better than previous Apple Pencils. Either way, your only option for an Apple Pencil is the Pencil Pro, so what choice do you really have? If my drawing was inspiring, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest. Firewolf out.